Ever been stuck abroad, phone about to die, and realize your bank account won't work? It's a travel nightmare. Luckily, in today's digital world, there are new financial tools available to help you avoid that kind of stress. One such option is Monese, an online banking service designed for a global world. But if you're new to Monese, you might be wondering, how exactly do I get money into my account? Fear not, fellow travelers and digital nomads. This video will walk you through all the different ways to top up your Monese account so you can spend with confidence wherever you roam. First things first, Monese offers several options, letting you choose the method that best fits your situation. Let's dive into the world of instant gratification, instant top-up. This option allows you to add money directly to your Monese account using another debit card. Think of it like magic, funds appearing with a tap on your phone screen. Perfect for those "oh no, I forgot to add cash" moments. Now, keep in mind, there might be fees associated with instant top-up depending on your card issuer, so be sure to check the details before you go swiping. Next up, we have the cash is king approach, cash top-up. This method is perfect if you prefer the feel of physical bills. Monese has partnered with everyday locations like post offices and PayPoint stores in the UK, allowing you to walk in, hand over your cash, and have it instantly added to your Monese account for PayPoint, or within one business day for post offices. Think of it as a super convenient way to ditch the leftover travel currency after your trip. No more scrambling to exchange bills at the airport. Moving on to the more traditional method, bank transfers. This option allows you to transfer funds directly from your linked bank account to your Monese account. It's a reliable and familiar option, but transfers can take a few business days to process, so keep that in mind for any urgent needs. For those who manage multiple currencies with Monese, there's a handy internal transfer option. With a few clicks, you can easily move money between your Euro, GBP, and RON accounts. This is a great way to keep your finances organized and avoid any foreign transaction fees when spending in a specific currency. Speaking of saving money, Monese also allows you to receive money directly into your account. This means friends and family can send you cash without any hassle, perfect for splitting that epic vacation bill or receiving a birthday gift from across the globe. Finally, if you're already a Monese user with a linked UK bank account, you can take advantage of instant bank transfers. This superfast option lets you move funds from your UK bank account to your Monese account in a flash. So, there you have it. With all these top-up options, keeping your Monese account funded is a breeze. No matter your location or preference, there's a way to get money in and keep your financial adventures flowing. Remember, Monese is all about global convenience, and these top-up methods reflect that philosophy. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or just dipping your toes into the digital banking world, Monese has you covered. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.